Hello guys, welcome to Finastro Cycles by Nitin Bhandari. This is a bit late update and it is very important to give update on days like today. So we what to say means where to start and where to end. I don't know. कि कहाँ से शुरू करूँ कहाँ खत्म करूँ. Warning sign were very clear. हर जगह warning sign था. And the things were this line which is a ruler of Jupiter, Sagittarius, where the sun entered. And the day it broke, look at the move, how it failed. It fell so fast. So it was an exaggeration. As I said, the moves will be exaggerated moves. Whenever Jupiter is involved, the moves are exaggerated. So what next now? So my thesis is this line is a mother moving average line. This is adjusted with the planets, and based on that, this line is very important. And this line is important for big trends in the market, super trends in the market. So this line is at 17,177, and below that, this is the monthly line. So it is better that Nifty falls continuously below this and maybe touch here or touch the 360-degree Mars line and bounce back. Now we have a reversal. These vertical candles, ये reversal candles हैं. Our next reversal date is 26th November. So this week we have a big reversal coming. And as I mentioned in the past videos also that this week has very strong aspects. They are very dangerous ones. And dangerous in the sense they are very catastrophic in their nature. So people who get my daily reports in my Telegram channel, they know that I have been writing this that the disaster is coming. This the word I used is a disaster. So how we can predict that? It is all based on the certain parameters, technical cycles, and all those mixed together. So what now? There is a lot of juice on the downside. Still, there is a juice on the downside. Nifty has bounced back from the low and closed 150 points higher from the low. But still, this candle is a huge candle, bearish candle. Tomorrow again, the day will be a could be a small range bound day or maybe a breather day, but don't be surprised if the trend of today continues tomorrow. So how you play, go back to my videos and check what is the rule of 33, and based on that you should play. Again, the view is one thing and risk management is another thing. So you should manage your risk, very important, very efficiently, and that is how you can survive in the trading. So this is for Nifty. My bias still remains a bit bearish. My problem is now this cycle which started from here. Should I give a cycle low here or should I give a cycle low here? I don't know. If I give a cycle low here, if I give the cycle low here, this means this cycle which started from here is bearish for many months. That could be disaster. So I will shift this low in the near future whenever it goes below this or below this and bounces off. So I'm putting this cycle low as a question mark for time being, because I don't want this market to be disaster for many months. We'll see how it unfolds, and I'll keep giving my targets and everything. I don't give the extreme targets of 13,000, 14,000, and never I gave the on the upside target of 50,000 and 1 lakh and 10 lakh of Nifty. So somebody, when this market was bouncing, somebody gave that the Nifty will go to 30,000. Yes, it will go to 30,000. It will go 50,000 also. But will you be alive to see that? Nobody knows. So, anyways, that's a different thing. Risk management is the most important thing for the traders right now, and you have to manage your risk efficiently. And uh, we were lucky that we caught this top at here at 18,400, and then another top at 18,100 and something. So we are still short. We'll manage the risk, and we'll see that when turning is happening. So this is for Nifty right now. Now we'll do the Bank Nifty and see what is happening on the Bank Nifty. तो ये जो बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट है, दिस लुक्स, ये चार्ट थोड़ा बेटर है निफ्टी से, क्योंकि ये पहले ही गिर चुका था। और ये लाइन इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है, जो ग्रीन लाइन है, एंड इट वेंट बिलो एंड इट हैज क्लोज देयर। स्टोकेस्टिक्स कर्ल डाउन हो गए, बट स्टिल ऐसा नहीं है कि इट इज अ लॉन्ग ट्रेड, बिकॉज स्टिल द मिड पॉइंट्स इन दिस आर मच हायर। मिड पॉइंट विल बी समवेयर हियर। और बैंक निफ्टी के स्टॉक्स निफ्टी के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं, और कुछ स्टॉक्स तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो कि बहुत ही जिनका वेटेज है, जैसे एच डी एफ सी बैंक है या कोटक बैंक है, जिसका निफ्टी में भी वेटेज है। तो वी हैव टू सी कि कैसे वो स्टॉक्स बिहेव कर रहे हैं। बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई कैन सी कि what is coming and what is happening. So for now, I'll today this video is going to be a lengthy video, and I'll try and put all the stocks also with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we start with the Axis Bank and see what has happened. So Axis Bank ने line break किया है, this line. Now this is a danger, you know, whenever this line, this could go, this can continue to be lower and the market can fall with it. But the good thing is it broke below and bounced back, and it has closed at 689 Uranus line पे, and stochastics are curling up. So again, though it has fallen from this top to this bottom here now, and from here, if you see, I will wait for 688, 689 level to go long. Until then, I will not touch it. I will wait for this to maybe stabilize before jumping on it. My favorite short stocks, Bajaj Finserv. Look at it, what has happened to it. So this was the level we were talking about of shorting, and this was the another level of talking to short it. It has closed below the midpoint of monthly line. It has closed below the weekly Gann trend change line, and we have a price and time target of 16,300, and today's low was 16,800. Such a big stock, and still the stochastics have just curled down. तो ये भी एक डिजास्टर ही होने वाला है, जैसे मैंने निफ्टी में बताया था कि जब भी स्टोकेस्टिक्स मिड रेंज से कर्ल डाउन होगा, तो दैट विल बी द डिजास्टर. Again, I do not recommend this stock to buy or sell because it is very illiquid and it is highly managed. Bank Nifty we have already covered. Bharti. So Bharti again has surprised everybody and opened with a gap, moved higher to 755 level, and that was a time and price target somewhere here. It was good if it could have gone above the monthly line and started again started curling down, or started a downtrend. That would have been a better trade on the Bharti. So now again, it has never sustained on the higher levels. So today also it failed to sustain. This candle is a bearish candle, though the green candle is a, the trade for the day is positive, but a candle bearish candle की category में है. So कल इसका level watch कीजिए 742 and see how it behaves. अगर ये stochastics यहाँ से curl up हुआ, तो this could be a fire. This stock can go easily to 778 or maybe 800. The next one is what we see. Continue. Yeah, HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, the warning sign was very clear. This also low gone. It has closed below. It's better it goes below the monthly line and bounces off. That would be a better trade than just jumping from here, because then it still the trade is open for going back to this monthly line. So पहले ही अगर ये monthly line के नीचे जाके ऊपर आ जाता है, that would be the better. Stochastics looks like they want to go up, trying to curl up, but अभी कुछ है नहीं, ऐसा दिख नहीं रहा है कि it is going to go up. Let's see hourly chart and see what hourly chart is telling. Yeah, hourly chart looks a bit better. Yeah, this is a bullish candle, and after that followed by another good candle. So looks like it wants to go higher. HDFC in a serious danger. सो बैंक निफ्टी को एचडीएफसी बैंक बचाएगा, और बैंक निफ्टी को एचडीएफसी गिराएगा ऐसा लगता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द चार्ट ऑफ बोथ द stocks are in different direction. So ये खराब दिख रहा है. This could be dangerous if it falls below 2885. कल इसका 2885 2890 level has to be watched, not only tomorrow, पूरे week के लिए. This could be dangerous if it starts falling. It could come down all the way to 2700. HDFC Life. So last video में there was no life in it. So I'll wait for it to go below 670 and then venture out for any long position. Hindustan Unilever, again यहाँ भी वही है, same story. The stochastics are curling down from the neutral zone. This could be very dangerous. ये Mars price line पे support लिया है. Starts falling below this. So these are the stocks जो कि निफ्टी को नीचे गिराएंगे. HUL है आपका, then HDFC है, HDFC लिमिटेड है. रिलायंस हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था, आज और रिव्यू करेंगे उसको कि हाउ इट इज बिहेविंग. Now ICICI Bank, again, everybody is trapped here. Everybody is super bullish numbers. Everything is good, fundamentals good, and everybody is trapped at these levels. So now wait, it is not going to go up easily now, because even if it go, there will be a lot of selling pressure, selling at the higher levels. So watch for 760 and above for any kind of confirmed bullish trend. This gap is filled, but still I'll keep these lines for some time, because this will act as a resistance now. Earlier it was a support zone. Okay, IndusInd, it touched the monthly line 985. It was better if it would have gone below and bounced back. Stochastics are telling, yes, I'm ready to go up, but not so confident yet. Wait for a 1000 psychological mark to close at least for 1 or 2 days. Infosys. So again, the Infosys story. I mentioned in the last video also that this could be a dangerous one, because ये 1785 1785 level was a the first reaction high level, and वहां से नीचे आया, and today it went to that high also and went to the before cycle high, and it is holding in between. So ये जो line है हमारा, watch this line. ये line टूटेगा, then it is in serious trouble like other stocks. आईटीसी. सो आईटीसी का मर्जर डीमर्जर सब कुछ हो गया, नया कंपनी वट एवर, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दोज फंडामेंटल्स, एंड नाउ एवरीबडी इज लॉन्ग हियर, एंड एज इट ब्रोक द मार्स लाइन, everything gone. So the levels are very important. If you are not managed your risk at 238, 239 and 236, you are gone. It has back to square at 230. Weekly line है 228. Below it, it goes for again back to this monthly line, which is 200 210 level. So watch this. Monthly line एक छोटा सा support resistance है now. It will act as a resistance which is 235. So ये zone जो है 235 237, that is very important. Kotak Bank 2010 is the level for to watch. Until then, I would be very cautious for long side on this stock. It is on the monthly line, and look at how far the lower monthly line is. This is a midpoint line, and this is a lower monthly line. 1781. Uranus line 1842. I will wait for going long. I won't jump on this. Larson. So ये मंथली लाइन जिस दिन तोड़ा वहां से 100 रुपया इन 2 days. तो नाउ इट इज एट यूरानस लाइन, सपोर्ट लाइन है. हमारा टाइम और प्राइस टारगेट कल का है 1839. दिस इज द टुमारोज टाइम और प्राइस टारगेट, ये हमने जो निकाला था. स्टोकेस्टिक न्यूट्रल जोन में है. सो लेट्स होप कि ये कल इसके बहुत नीचे नहीं जाए, and it starts bouncing back above Uranus line at 1850. That would be the good trade to go long if you are if at all you have to go long. Otherwise, I would say wait for it. So this is McDowell. I'm not. This looks good overall because 50% मार्क्स से ऊपर आया है. इतना खराब दिन होने के बावजूद it has not fallen, though it was negative at one point huge, but still it has not fallen that much. जितना दूसरे stocks fall किए हैं. This is another example of psychological level. Natural gas, I am putting in between, but natural gas कैसे behave करता है psychological 5 mark पे? Look at it. It is not closed above the 5 mark. So there is nothing to do with the Indian stock market for this. But I'm just trying to correlate the things that how these lines work. And now Reliance. So what has happened? Still, this is a hourly chart. ये थोड़ा सा थोड़ी सी power दिखा रहा है. It is showing little bit. It wants to go higher. This green line is a important line, maybe a previous support or something. Yes. So this is a very important line and it has found a support here again. So maybe it will try to bounce off little bit. But on the daily chart, what it is saying, so daily chart में अभी भी इसमें थोड़ा और downside juice है. It is better it falls below 2200 and then it bounces off, or immediately tries and gets control above 2385. 2380 2385 के ऊपर जाता है, then it could be a good level to go long, or maybe um, cut your shorts if you are short. SBI, so another this was a hourly chart है SBI का, और ये पिस्सू बैंक्स सॉरी PSU बैंक्स का यही प्रॉब्लम है. PSUs work like this only. So देखते हैं, let's see. It has bounced off from the monthly line. हमने बोला भी था कि it should go to this line and then bounce off. That would be the better. So yeah, it has gone below and now it has bounced off. Stochastics are curling up, which is a good sign. So let's hope कि इसके नीचे वापस नहीं जाए, नहीं तो इसका भी बैंड बजने ही वाला है. This will also go sharply lower, maybe 470 and maybe 430, 450. So look at the broader market and see how it works, because SBI also Nifty का भी constituent है, Bank Nifty का भी constituent है. टाटा मोटर, सो ये मंथली लाइन का कमाल देखा है आप लोगों ने. 432, सॉरी 532. 432 आएगा क्या, हो सकता है, अभी मुंह से निकला है तो आ भी जाए. बट 532 वाज द लेवल वेयर आई टोल्ड वेरी क्लियरली कि ये इसके ऊपर जाने दो, तभी देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. एंड वी हैव सीन दैट दिस मंथली लाइन इज सच ए इम्पोर्टेंट स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर टिकती ही नहीं है. हर एग्जाम्पल में लार्सन देख लीजिए, निफ्टी देख लीजिए, कुछ भी देख लीजिए, it doesn't work. The market doesn't have a strength to stand above it. I don't know what power it has, but it has a power. So अभी क्या next is 490, that is a mid weekly line. इसके नीचे गया, stochastics नीचे गया, so be ready for 435 or maybe 350. Sorry, these looks very dangerous levels, but this is a huge gap. So wait, कहीं किसी दिन ये island reversal ना करे उसके नीचे. So Tata Steel still we are looking for, but अभी भी ये कहीं confirm नहीं है. It can uh, it can bounce off, और overall matter थोड़ा problem दिखता है, but the stochastics are telling कि थोड़ा profit booking shorts में आएगा यहाँ पे, या maybe a short covering rally can happen in this stock. TCS, so TCS is this is a TCS daily chart. Looks in trouble as long as it is below 3465, or maybe a month weekly line है 3440, इसके नीचे तो फिर then we have a dangerous levels for TCS as well. So our levels were around 3300 when it was trading higher. So now let's see if it comes there or it starts again moving back above 3470. इसके ऊपर वापस आया तो maybe it can curl up to support the Nifty. So guys, overall this is all for Nifty, Bank Nifty, और इसके जो भी constituents heavyweights है, mostly I have covered. Maybe few of them I have not covered or forgotten. But this looks overall. Before I close this video for today's update, let's see what is happening on the VIX volatility index in the global market. So VIX is okay. So VIX is holding where it is. It has curled up from here. It is in the neutral zone. So कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Global markets, maybe something is wrong. Wait for it to cross above 1899 and then see how it works. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you got saved because of all these videos you are watching, and maybe you had a chance that कुछ गड़बड़ आने वाली है. So stay safe, stay healthy, and manage your risk. Keep the stop losses in the place if you are trading. Thank you.